You can have the greatest ideas, the greatest imaginations, but if your mind and your body is not in agreement, then you have a problem. I'm an artist who's battling cancer right now, and what I find is oftentimes my mind works ahead of my body. I'm always thinking ahead. I get all these great ideas, but my body just doesn't want to come along sometimes. The Bible says that the spirit is willing, but the flesh is weak. And it's so true because how you feel often dictates the mood of your work or if you even get any work done at all. And oftentimes what I feel as an artist dealing with cancer is that I have my good days and I have my bad days, but the days that I do have the energy to do so, I really have to take advantage of. But that could be gone in a second, right? So I really have to work to conserve energy, and not just conserve energy, but to take advantage of the energy that I have to create when I got it, right? So when you got it, you got it. But when you don't, you don't. Because believe me, when you don't feel like working, your body is going to tell you no. Your body is just going to shut everything down, right? And sometimes it's very difficult and challenging to work through that. So I believe that I've come up with some strategies to combat that, and I want to share them all with you. So if there's anybody out there dealing with a terminal illness like cancer or sickness, or even like your mental health, perhaps these strategies can help you as they have helped me. One of the things that I've noticed when I have those days where I'm tired or I don't feel like doing anything or I'm just like exhausted is that the more I lay around, the more tired I get. Like the more I lay down or the more I feel like I gotta go to sleep, it just drains more energy. So one of the things that I try to encourage myself to do is to get up and move around, right? Even if you're not feeling good, even if you're not feeling at your best, if you at least get up and move around rather than lay around, that will help you boost some energy and get some energy flowing to your body, right? One of the hardest things that I have experienced was the feeling of being lethargic, right? And being lethargic means like you're just tired. It's that lazy feeling. It's that feeling of I gotta sleep or try to sleep this off. But the more you try to rest off your sickness or your feeling of being tired, the more tired you're going to get. So get up, move around, take a walk, expose yourself to the sun, get outdoors, breathe in the fresh air, right? And those are some of the things that have been helping me not only conserve energy, but to build it up as well. The other thing is try to eat good. Try to keep that weight on because once you start going through your therapy, you're more than likely going to lose weight and it's rough on your body, right? So you want to kind of beef up. And I've lost some pounds. I've lost a lot of inches because of the cancer, right? But you have to try. You have to try to eat well. You just want to, have that energy stored up in you, right? So eat right, eat good, drink some tea, put some good things in your body, and try to eat as healthy as possible. Another thing you want to do is try to psych yourself out. You're if you don't feel like creating, right? And you're not in the mood, maybe you just need to sit in your studio, and maybe just by sitting in your studio, you'll automatically just start picking up your brushes or pens or whatever it is that you do when you get to work. Like my studio is set up, whereas when I come into my studio, there's nothing else to do but to work. You know, there's no TV down here, there's no couch down here. It's just my table, my art supplies, and it's everything on the wall reminds me of my vision and what I'm called to do as an artist. So just sitting in your space alone, sitting in the environment that causes you to create work will help you spur on the work. I've noticed that, like, when I'm not in the mood to work or my body is tired and I just come down and sit in my studio, it encourages me to work. It tempts me to work. So just being in the space where you set up to work and you set up to create is a great way to get you working. Now, overcoming that feeling of apathy and desire not to work can be very, very challenging, and it's not that simple. There's no one simple answer to combat it, and you'll probably have to find a combination of things that you'll have to do to overcome that feeling of not desiring to do your work, even though your mind is saying go and do your work, right? It will take some work. It will take some discipline, some self-discipline. And oftentimes, you'll find that you'll lose that battle. I've lost that battle many and many of times, right? But the thing is to not give up and to keep at it, right? If you miss a day in your studio or if you miss a few sessions, it's understandable. Give yourself that grace. Definitely give yourself that grace. But at the same time, recognize that you do have a vision and your spirit is greater than your flesh. Your spirit is greater than what you feel. Always go with that inner voice that's within you, because that's what speaks loudest, right? Your body may be aching, your body may be tired, your body may be telling you no, but you can get beyond that. And I've certainly have experienced that and overcome it. You know, I don't always win the battle, but um, there's always another day to wake up and to fight again. So don't give up and don't get discouraged if you go through those bouts, because it's totally natural. I think it happens to all artists, whether you're sick or not. I do believe that it's just a cycle that everyone experiences, and especially for those who have a terminal illness and who are battling diseases like cancer and so forth. So give yourself that grace and give yourself another opportunity to shoot at it again. So I hope that this video helps somebody. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Keep fighting. Keep pushing forward. You got this. You will overcome. I love you all. Yahweh bless. Peace out.